Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of this video, you guys know what it is about. So I am going to be swatching the new Super Ink. These are the Super Mattes by Maybelline. This is their City Edition. I thought that this collection was really nice because it does give you like that bold option. If you guys like that like deep plum blue, there's some neutral shades. There's like a pink or two. We got like 2 reds. So I think that they did a really nice job with this collection. So you guys can see I have it on my lips now. I did have like issues with 1 or 2 shades that they weren't super opaque, but besides that, I think that this is probably one of my favorite like drugstore liquid lipsticks. They're really comfortable. You can see that it does have like a slight sheen to it. Some of the shades do look like they're almost wet, but they are matte. It's really comfortable. It stays all day and you aren't gonna have too many issues with it. I always apply like lip balm underneath it. For this, I just had like foundation over my lips so you can see the true color, and they're really affordable. I found them as cheap as like $6.70 I think, or $9.99 in some different places. So I'll just add a few links. Anything that's close to you, you guys can pick it up. Before we jump into these swatches, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any of the videos that I'm posting. Yeah, so that is all. Now let's jump into the swatches. So that is the full video, guys. Let me know what is your favorite shade. I don't know. I think that they all look really beautiful, and I think that they would work across all skin tones, which is nice. I think Globetrotter, which is the first one that I swatched, I also really love that red shade. I think it's a beautiful red dancer. And of course, Explorer. I think that the main reason that I wanted to do this video was because of this freaking blue shade. So yeah, let me know what is your fave shade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.